Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 4 and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. The first way to check the battery level on this watch is to do it through the controls menu, because it's the easiest way. You simply press and hold the upper button, it will open the controls menu, and here we have the battery percentage and also estimation in days for the battery life. The other way to do it is to do it on the watch face. Basically, some of the watch faces display the battery info. For example, this one does. And if yours isn't, you can always press the upper button, tap on watch faces, and scroll through the list, find the watch face that displays the battery info, and then apply it. And the last way is to do it by opening the menu. So if you press the upper button to open the menu, at the top you will see the battery level. Okay, and that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.